Hi y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'll be sharing some of my Super Bowl snacks with you all. Like I said, you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on snacks and stuff. And most people gonna probably bring something with them anyway. But anyway, I started off, I had 3 different salads. I have a seafood, I have chicken, and this is potato salad in the middle. If you never tried these jalapeno scoop, they are very good with these, this. And I got the strawberries, grape. I got cherry tomatoes and lettuce. Those are this is a little thing. And some people will just eat this. You don't need all the rest of this stuff. This is a good dish. And next I have my barbecue hot wings. They're good. They're hot, spicy, and good. They are on my channel too. And I served those before. And here's my fried tomatoes. And here's some bacon. Some people like to eat on bacon. And I do too. And here's the vegetables you can eat with them. These are green peppers and red peppers and a little lemon. And here's a hoagie. This is how I like my hoagie. I put a little dressing on it. I don't like a lot of stuff on mine, but you can, and this is wheat bread. I like wheat bread. You can use whatever bread you want. And here's a little small hoagies, and you can fix it up the way you want to. I have roast beef, I have turkey, and I have ham. I have Swiss cheese, and I have pepper jack. Here's some pickles. Here's cucumbers, these white onions. I have banana peppers. I have cucumbers, lettuce, and tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes. And these are things that you can put on your sub. And I have 3 different, this is some 3 different dressing. I have this Thousand Island, this is ranch, and here's some Italian. And like I said, thank you all for sharing my little Super Bowl snack with you all, and I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, keep it simple and have a good time. And thank you again for tuning into Mattie's Kitchen and share it with friends and family. And thank you and have a great day.